Hello, my name is Yuri. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set username, password, and account notification preferences. You start by navigating to the Security Console work area and selecting the User Categories tab. Here you can set up different preferences for different categories of users. All of the sales users you create or import belong to the default user category, so let's drill down into that category. On the Details sub-tab, you can specify the username format. By default, the application uses the email address. You must use the email address for partner contacts, but for sales users, you can also use first and last name or the last name with a first initial. Selecting the Generate System Username When Generation Rule Fails option creates a username if information is missing or duplicate. You can always update individual usernames in the UI or using import. On the Password Policy sub-tab, you can set the password expiration policies and password strength. Now let's go to the Notifications sub-tab to configure the email notifications users receive about their accounts and passwords. Notice that you can disable all the notifications, an option that's useful for setting up a test environment, for example. Oracle provides you with predefined templates for all the available events, such as account creation or expired password. Let's take a look at the email notification users receive when their account is created. You can disable a predefined template, but you can't edit the Oracle-specific language. Let me show you how to create your own templates. You click Add Template, enter a name, and select the event. The application pre-populates the template with the text of the original, which you can then edit. When you finish editing, you select Enabled and save. The Oracle template is automatically disabled and your template made active. Click Done to save your changes. Thank you.